What's up everyone? Welcome back to a new VSG meal prep video. Today I'm going to show you how to meal prep for weight loss after VSG. These are going to be really simple and easy meals, and I love that you can take these on the go. So be sure to click the thumbs up button if you like to see meal prep videos here on my channel, and don't forget to click that little red subscribe button and turn on notifications so like that you get notified every time that I upload. So to get started, here is what you are going to need. So to get started with this meal prep, you will need ground chicken or turkey. Get some fresh fruit of your choice. Pick up some hummus, and also don't forget to pick up eggs. I will link all of the recipes as well as the grocery list down below for you. So if you want to check it out after you are finished watching today's video, then you can check it out down below and print it out for yourself. So like that you can do today's VSG meal prep. So let's get started with cooking. We've all been there where the mornings just get the best of us, right? And we have no time to prepare breakfast. So today I'm gonna show you 2 easy breakfast meal prep ideas that I know you're going to love. We're going to be making breakfast wraps as well as an omelet, and these are going to be perfect for on the go. So we're gonna go ahead and make these at the same time. I have my oven preheating at 375, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my eggs ready. And for the omelet, I am going to be using some baby spinach. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that cooking on the stovetop while I get my eggs ready. For a boost of protein, I'm going to be adding bacon to the wraps, and I have turkey sausage that I will put on the side of the omelets. I really like the Oscar Mayer ready bacon. It is fully cooked. All you have to do is reheat it, and the sausage is the same thing. So we could just leave these on the side, and once you are ready to have your meal prep, you can heat everything all at once. And I love how easy this meal prep is, so that's why I really wanted to share this, because it is so easy to meal prep so like that you can stay on track. And I always like to add milk or heavy cream to my eggs just to make them a little fluffy. You can use whatever you have on hand. Add some Parmesan cheese to my eggs as well. Once the spinach is cooked and wilted, go ahead and spray your pie dish with some non-stick cooking spray, and then you can just add the spinach to the pie dish. Then go ahead and pour your egg mixture right in there. I'm also going to add a half a cup of cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna top it with some shredded Italian cheese. Now this is going to bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's get started on our breakfast wrap. So you're gonna go ahead and crack another 6 eggs, add some heavy whipping cream, and scramble it together. You could crack all 12 at once to make this easier, but since I'm using my smaller Pyrex, I just decided to do 6 at a time. Now we're gonna go ahead and grease the same pan that we cooked the spinach in. Put your stovetop on medium-high heat and just go ahead and scramble up your egg mixture. Are finished cooking, we can just go ahead and set those aside. And I have another skillet here, so like that we can get ready for the chicken patties. So I have 2 packages of ground chicken breast. This is 99% lean ground chicken breast, as well as 2 packets of Italian seasoning. And I will also be adding some breadcrumbs and some fresh dill to these as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all of these ingredients together. About a tablespoon of fresh dill. I have been using this lately in a lot of recipes, and I just love the way it gives like such a fresh taste, and this is perfect for this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this. Once you finish mixing your chicken, go ahead and form patties. So I'm gonna form about a patty the size of my palm. Tablespoon of olive oil on my stovetop, and I'm going to cook the chicken patties now. Are cool, let's make our wraps. So I'm using the Mission Carb Balance tortillas to make these. These are low carb wraps, and they only have 70 calories per wrap. So what I'm gonna do is wrap all of the ingredients inside of the wrap, and then I will wrap it in parchment paper. And I have here a giant Ziploc bag. These are freezer friendly bags, so you can store these in the freezer, and these will last for up to 2 months. So these are a really convenient breakfast idea that you can make ahead for those busy days. So I'm gonna get started by putting my tortilla down here. I am also going to use some of the eggs. So you wanna make sure that the eggs are cool before you go ahead and assemble these. So we're gonna put some eggs on there. And then I'm going to use 2 slices of bacon. And like I said, this bacon is already cooked, so we're not gonna even heat it up. We're just going to lay it right in there, because when we heat these up in the microwave, it will cook when we heat that up. And then I'm going to use some mild cheddar cheese, but you can use whichever cheese that you like. And once you have all of your ingredients inside, you're just going to wrap them up just like a burrito. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap these all at the same time, and then I will put them all in the freezer bags. That these are not going to last long over here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in my glass meal prep containers and store these in the fridge. And our omelet came out perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in fours and prep this out as well. Chicken patties, I'm going to layer it with some salad. Here I have a spring mix, which is one of my favorites. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those in my meal prep containers. Be making a yogurt tzatziki sauce to go on the side with this, which is so good. This is one of my favorites. So I have some Greek plain yogurt, and I'm just going to add this to a bowl. Okay, and then I'm going to season it with some garlic salt, some pepper. I have some lemon juice here as well. And I'm also going to put some fresh dill. And I found these small little clear plastic meal prep containers at the Dollar Tree. So these are also perfect for meal prep. So I'm just gonna scoop the dip in here. And this is also going to boost protein in this meal because Greek yogurt is full of protein. Your VSG meal prep. This meal prep was so easy to make and everything came out looking absolutely delicious. Now I have breakfast and lunch as well as dinner ready for the week. The omelet is versatile. You can use that for breakfast or lunch, as well as the chicken patties. That can be a lunch or a dinner idea. You can customize this any way you like. Choose your favorite veggies as well as fruits. So for snacks, I have fresh fruits. I picked up some pears and apples. And I also picked up some of this apple pie dessert hummus with the Stacy's pita chips. This is another one of my favorite healthy snacks. So I am all set for my VSG meal prep for this week, and I'm ready to stay on track and eat healthy. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to click that thumbs up button for me, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more VSG meal prep videos.